In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a hosting a website step by step, even if you're completely new to it. This is a simple way to get your WordPress site up and running fast, whether you're building a business website, a portfolio, a blog, or your first online brand. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to log in, add a website, choose WordPress, connect your domain, and start the installation process the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Hostinger lets you manage everything connected to your hosting and site setup. From there, click Add Website. This starts the website creation process and takes you to the next setup screen. Now you'll see a few different options, but for this tutorial, select WordPress. WordPress is one of the easiest and most flexible ways to build a website, and it gives you full control over your design, pages, and content. After selecting WordPress, Hostinger will ask you to enter your site details. This usually includes basic information like your website name and other setup preferences, depending on the account setup flow. Fill in the details carefully, then click Create to continue. Next, Hostinger will ask you to connect a domain. If you already own a domain, you can enter and connect it here. If you don't have one yet, you can also choose a temporary domain so you can keep building your website right away. This is helpful if you want to get started before your final domain is ready. Once that part is set, Hostinger will ask where your target audience is located. Choose the location that best matches the people you want to reach, then click Next. This helps Hostinger optimize the setup for your audience and website performance. After that, WordPress will begin installing automatically. At this stage, you don't need to do much except wait for the installation to finish. Hostinger handles the technical setup in the background, which is what makes this such a beginner-friendly process. Once the installation is complete, your website will be ready for the next steps, like choosing a theme, adding pages, customizing your homepage, and publishing your content. And that's it. You've successfully started building your Hostinger website using WordPress. From here, you can begin designing your site and making it your own. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Hostinger and WordPress tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.